Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to a little bit of a different video today. I do want to talk about crypto and why I'm going to be buying these dips and continuing to dollar cost average into both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But as you can see right now, the portfolio is up to $10,070. I know there's a lot of volatility with crypto, but I'm going to give you guys a couple of reasons why I'm going to continue to buy even during these dipping times. So again, we're still up $1,000 or 11.12%. But as you can see, the charts actually today are fairly up, but in the past month or so, down 21%, past 3 months, down 27%, past year, down 10%. But I'm going to take this opportunity to buy more into crypto, and I'd recommend you guys do the same, and I'll give you a couple pointers moving forward. But as you can see, my portfolio specifically, I'm holding currently 0.04 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to about $4,976, or 4 rather, and 1.1 token of Ethereum, which is equivalent to $4,596. So just kind of give you guys a couple pointers as to why I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. So the first point I want to make as to why I am going to continue buying into Bitcoin during these times is I still believe in Bitcoin long term. Lots of volatility into the markets and whatnot, but at the same time, the base of what crypto is and Bitcoin is still there, and I believe in it long term. Another thing I wanted to mention is there's a market cap of 21 million Bitcoins. There's no more Bitcoins can be mined after that time. When we compare that to something like the Canadian dollar or American dollar, this can be inflated due to the fact that they can just print more money. With Bitcoin, it is an allotted amount. So I know that it's going to be scarce, and for that reason, I'm going to continue investing into Bitcoin as well as another stable coin, which is Ethereum as well. So point number 2, Bitcoin's on sale. One of the most famous quotes that I live by for both stock investing or just investing in general is by the famous Warren Buffett, and he says, "Be greedy when others are fearful." When the markets are down, everyone's selling off because they don't want to lose anymore. These are the best times to pick up more shares. And that's true for stocks. That's true for crypto. That's also true for different things like real estate investing as well. So that's point 2. Point 3 is every Bitcoin crash has been followed by an all-time high. If you look at the charts, and I'll try to put a chart up here for you guys, every time Bitcoin has crashed, there's been a new all-time high. So markets usually repeat themselves. I'm not foreseeing the future. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to go up for sure, but at the same time, markets do kind of follow trends, and this is just a trend to be aware of. So with all this being said, I definitely don't recommend that you put your entire portfolio or investment portfolio into crypto. Again, for me personally, and I'll show at the end how much of my portfolio I'm allotting to crypto and Bitcoin, but I just want to practice what I preach right now. I have $500 to trade with. We're going to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm going to be trading about $250 into each here. And then we'll finish off today by going over my Blossom Social account, which you can see how much crypto I have compared to my other investments. So $250 worth of Bitcoin, and then we're going to invest into $250 into Ethereum. And just to give you guys my thought process moving forward, I'm going to increase my contributions into crypto for the next foreseeable future as the crash is happening and everything is on sale. But moving forward, I'll keep you guys in the loop with what I'm doing. So before I let you guys go, let's jump over to the Blossom account, and I'll show you how much of my portfolio is in crypto. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, this is the Blossom Social app, and this is my portfolio. If you haven't already downloaded Blossom Social, link in the description, as well as follow me at Riley or Canadian Dividend Investing. So we're going to scroll down here, and you can see these certain percentages I've allotted to different stocks and just holdings in general. So I have about 2.5% of my portfolio into Bitcoin and 2.3% into Ethereum. So again, I would recommend you guys 2.5 to 5% is what I would probably recommend. You can get as high as 10% depending on your risk factors. But that's what I think. I'm going to continue buying Bitcoin moving forward. I hope you guys do as well. And if you haven't already gotten into the crypto space, now is a perfect time to jump in. again, with all this being said, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I practice what I'm preaching, and I just want to give you guys the best opportunity to be successful in the future. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great week and happy investing.